Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare
Hare Krishna Shri Advaita Radha Shri Sri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu
Radha Shiva Sadi
Nityananda
Gaura Bhakta
Shri
Vrinda Jai
Advaita
Krishna
Radha
Chaitanya
Shri
Prabhu
Sri Gaura
Nityananda
Bhakta Vrinda
Radha Shiva Sadi
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Radha Shri Sri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Shri Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesh Gopikante Radha Kante Namaste Sapta Kanchan Gaurani Radhe Vrindaveshwari Vrishabhanusute
Devi Pranamani Hari Priya
Guru Radhe Guru Kananda Bhagwan ki
Jai.
Jai.
Hare Krishna everyone.
Hare Krishna Hare
Hare Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna Bhaiya.
Jai Shri Krishna Sumit. Hare Krishna Soham.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Krishna Rina ji.
Hare Krishna, Riyan.
Tarun. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Virendra. Hare Krishna everyone.
Right, so हम अध्याय 13 पढ़ रहे हैं और श्लोक 22. विदुर जी इज बैक टू हस्तिनापुर. तो हस्तिनापुर वापस आके और धृतराष्ट्र महाराज को समझा रहे हैं कि व्हाट नीड्स टू बी डन एट द एंड ऑफ द लाइफ ड्यूरेशन. राइट, एज वी सो विदुर जी आर telling like at this age the teeth are loose, the liver is defective and all that. What are you doing in Hastinapur? Aho mayasi jantor jivitasha yatha bhavan bhima parjitam pinda madatve greh palvate. So
Alas, how powerful are the hopes of a living being to continue his life. Verily, you are living just like a household dog and are eating remnants of food given by Bhima.
So, Mahatma Vidur is very straightforward, right? As we have seen, like he doesn't mince any word. He says as is without, thinking about anything. So he's just explaining to Dhritarashtra Maharaj that, hey, like it's about time. A sadhu like Vidur is meant to awaken such blind persons and does help them to go back to Godhead where life is eternal. But what happens is once going there, no one wants to come back to the material world of miseries, right? So once you can get the feeling of eternal world, then no one wants to come back. But till you get that, it's like tough. People are attached to their life. As we can see, everyone, like animals, all of us, everybody is so much attached to the life, to the material life. Anilji?
Yeah. Agnirnisrasto dattascha garodharascha dushita Khritam kshetram dhanam yesham taddvaitair suvikiyat. There is no need to live a degraded life and subsist on the charity of those whom you try to kill by arson and poisoning. You also insulted their married wife and usurped their kingdom and wealth. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Right, so Mahatma Vidur continue explaining to Yudhishthira Maharaj. Mukesh?
Tasyapi tav daho ayam kripanasya jijivisho parit nichito jirno jaraya vasasi eva. Despite your unwillingness to die and your desire to live, even at the cost of honor and prestige, your miserly body will certainly dwindle and deteriorate like an old garment. Hare Krishna.
An old garment, right? So everybody's body ultimately is going to deteriorate and like an old garment. Ravi?
व्यतस्वार्थमिमं देह विरक्तो मुक्तबन्धनः अविज्ञातगति च आस स वेधीर उदाहृत. He is called undisturbed, who goes to an unknown, remote place and freed from all the obligations which his material body when he has become useless. Hare Krishna.
Krishna. Sumit?
यः स्वकारात् परतो वेहे जात निर्विद आत्मवान् हृदय कृत्वा हरिं गेहात् प्रवेजेतस् नरोत्तमः. He is certainly a first-class man who awakens and understands, either by himself or from others, the falsity and misery of the material world, and thus leaves home and depends fully on personality of Godhead residing within his heart. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Okay, what it's saying is the real
Real perfection of the path of liberation is attained when one has practiced so deeply fully on the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who lives in every heart as Paramatma. You may live in the darkest jungle alone out of home, but a steadfast devotee knows very well that he is not alone. The Supreme Personality of Godhead is with him, and he can protect his sincere devotee in any awkward circumstance. One should therefore practice devotional service at home, hearing and chanting the holy name, quality, form, pastimes, in Taurage, etc., in association with pure devotees, and this practice will help one awaken God consciousness in proportion to one's sincerity of purpose.
of purpose, right? So I think it says that one should therefore practice devotional service even at home, right? And like a little bit of what we are trying to do now, right? Hearing and chanting the holy name, talking about the pastimes, really reading Srimad Bhagavatam is actually, also will bring up the devotional aspects of all the pastimes of Lord Krishna, right? So I think that will help, awaken the God consciousness. Rinaji?
अथो दिशं यातु स्वैरज्ञात गतिर्भवान् इतो अर्वाक्रायशः कालः पुंसां गुणविकर्षणः. Please, therefore, leave for the north immediately without letting your relatives know, for soon that time will approach which will diminish the good qualities of men.
Right? The good qualities get diminished as people are getting old and old. So he's telling Maharaj Yudhishthira to go without telling, because if you tell someone, Yudhishthira Maharaj is not going to let you go. So, Tarun?
एवं राजा विदुर्नेवाञ्जनेन अनुजेन प्रज्ञापक्षुर्बोधिता अजमिदः चित्तस्वेयु स्नेहापसं दधिमिनो निष्काक्रम भ्रतर संधर्षित अध्वा. Thus Maharaj Dhritarashtra, the scion of the family of Ajamidha, firmly convinced by introspective knowledge Krishna broke at once the strong network of familial affection by his resolute determination. Thus, he immediately left home to set out on the path of liberation as directed by his younger brother Vidura. Hare Krishna.
Right. So finally, Dhritarashtra hears Mahatma Vidur, and he lives in liberation. Patim prayantam subalasya putri pativrata chanujadam sadvi Himalayam nyastu danda praharsham mansinami usat samprahara. So,
The gentle and chaste Gandhari, who was the daughter of King Subala of Gandhar or Gandhara, followed her husband, seeing that he was going to the Himalaya mountains, which are the delight of those who have accepted the staff or of the renounced order, like fighters who have accepted a good lashing from the enemy. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Right. So now we're talking about Gandhari. So Gandhari followed her husband. So like this, Dhritarashtra Maharaj and Gandhari, and they both live for Himalaya mountains as directed by Vidur, Mahatma Vidur. Anand?
अजात शत्रु कृतमैत्रो हुताग्नि विप्रान्त्वा तिलगो भूमि रुक्मे गृहं प्रविष्टो गुरुवंदनाय न चापश्य पितरो सोबलीं च. ट्रांसलेशन नीचे अभी नहीं आ रहा है.
Don't see?
Maharaja Yudhishthir, whose enemy was never born, performed his daily morning duties by praying, offering fire sacrifices to the sun god, and offering obeisances, grains, cows, land, and gold to the Brahmanas. He then entered the palace to pay respect to the elderly. However, he could not find his uncles or aunt, the daughter of King Subala. Hare Krishna.
All right. So Maharaj Yudhishthira, his daily routine, he always goes to see Dhritarashtra Maharaj, and he doesn't find them. So, Mukesh?
तत्र संजयम आसीनम प्रापच ओधिग नमांसः गावल गणे को नस्तातो वृद्धो हिनक्श्च नेत्रयो. Maharaj Yudhishthira, full of anxiety, turned to Sanjay, who was sitting there, and said, "Oh Sanjay, where is our uncle, who is old and blind?" Hare Krishna.
Right. So Maharaj Yudhishthira is now concerned about Dhritarashtra Maharaj because he cannot see and he doesn't find them. So where is he gone? Rinaji?
Yeah. Amba cha hatputrarta pitruvyah kwa gata suhit api mayakrit pragye hatbandhu sabharyaya ashan samana shamalam gangayam dukhito apatat. Where is my well-wisher, Uncle Vidur, and Mother Gandhari, who is very afflicted due to all her sons' demise? My uncle Dhritarashtra was also very mortified due to the death of all his sons and grandsons. Undoubtedly, I am very ungrateful. Did he therefore take my offenses very seriously and along with his wife drown himself in the Ganges? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So Maharaj Yudhishthira is getting all these thoughts. Yeah. Ravi?
Pityuraparate Pandavo Sarvan Suradda Shishun Arashak ta yasyan pitrayo gatvitah. When my father Pandu fell down and we were all small children, these two uncles gave us protection from all kinds of calamities. They were always our good well-wishers. Alas, where have they gone from here? Hare Krishna.
Krishna. Sumit?
Sut Uvach, Kripya Sanidhvikla Vyat Suto Viraha Karshitah Atmeshwaram Chakshano Na Pratahit Piditah. Sure, you want to read it?
Yeah. Sutta Goswami said, because of compassion and mental agitation, Sanjay, not having seen his own master, Dhritarashtra, was aggrieved and could not properly reply to Maharaja Yudhishthira. Hare
Right.
Krishna.
So who is Sanjay?
Arjun.
Yes. His right hand.
Arjun's second
Sanjay
name
was
is
his
Sanjay.
territory.
Hmm?
Sanjay तो जिसको
Dhritarashtra.
दिखाया था वो, who saw it and
Correct. So Sanjay is the Sarthi of Maharaj Dhritarashtra, right?
Sarthi.
And then Sanjay is the one who got those eyes. He could see the whole Kurukshetra battle, and he is the one who recited that whole thing to Maharaj Dhritarashtra. And then he was
He had satellites.
right. Yeah, so from that fashion, he was devoted to Maharaj and Dhritarashtra. So Yudhishthira Maharaj is asking Sanjay, like, have you seen what has happened? And Sanjay also doesn't know what has happened. Yeah. Tarun?
Vimrajya Sruni Panibhyam Vista Bhyatmanam Atmana Ajata Shrutam Pratyus Prabho Pratpada Anusmaran. First, he slowly pacified his mind by intelligence and wiping away his tears and thinking of the feet of his master, Dhritarashtra, he began to reply to Maharaja Yudhishthira. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Sanjay Vache Naham Veda Vyavasitam Pitro Varah Kulanandana Gandharyava Mahabaho Mushito Asmi Mahatmihe. So,
Sanjay said, my dear descendant of the Kuru dynasty, I have no information of the determination of your two uncles in Gandhari. Zero king, I have been cheated by those great souls. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? Basically, what Sanjay means is they left without even telling me, you know. So, Raju?
अधा जगाम भगवान नारदः सहत्वम्बुरु प्रत्युत्थाया विवाद्याः सानुजो अभ्यर्च्य मुनिम्. While Sanjay was thus speaking, Sri Narad, the powerful devotee of the Lord, appeared on the scene carrying his tumburu. Maharaj Yudhishthira and his brothers received him properly by getting up from their seats and offering obeisances. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So, who is arriving? Sri Narad Muni, right? Dev Rishi Narad. And of course, Dev Rishi Narad is the one who can travel in all these 14 loks and even beyond those 14 loks to the Vaikunt lok, right? That's what Dev Rishi Narad is. And he's carrying what? It's called Tumburu, right? Sah Tumburu hai. And what's the sound comes out of Tumburu? Always? What is Dev Rishi Narad's?
Narayan, Narayan, Narayan.
Narayan, right? You have seen it all along.
Veena, not Veena, what you call? Ektar?
Right.
That ukulele thing he just plays. I am very bad at it. Sitar?
Hmm?
No. It's
Tunguru, right? So may have a different name, but anyways, so I mean Devrishi Narad Veena also we can call, right? So and that's and always, you know, as we always see in Devrishi Narad is constantly chanting Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. So Devrishi Narad appears, right? Ravi?
युधिष्ठिर उवाच नाहं वेद गतिं पित्रो भगवन् क्व गतावितः अम्बावाहत् पुत्रात् क्व गता च तपस्विनी. Maharaja Yudhishthira said, O godly personality, I do not know where my two uncles have gone now, nor can I find my ecstatic aunt who is grief-stricken by the loss of her sons. Hare Krishna.
Right. So Maharaj is asking about two uncles. Who are the two uncles?
Dhritarashtra and Vidur.
Right. Dhritarashtra Maharaj and Mahatma Vidur. And who is the aunt?
Gandhari.
Gandhari. Right. So of course Narad Muni knows everything. So Maharaj is asking Narad Muni. Tarun?
कर्णधारा इव पारे भागवनं परदर्शकः दर्शकः अधः भसे भागवनं नारदो मुनि सतमः. You are like a captain of a ship in a great ocean. You can direct us to our destination. Thus addressed the godly personality, Devarishi Narada, greatest of the philosopher devotees, began to speak. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Right? So now Narad Muni is replying. Sumit?
Ma kanchan shucho rajan yadishwarasham jagat lokasapala yasyame vahinta bali mishutah sasayam vinukti bhutani se ev vinukti che.
Sri Narada said, O pious king, you do not lament for anyone, for everyone is under the control of the Supreme Lord. Therefore, all living beings and their leaders carry on worship to be well protected. It is He only who brings them together and disperses them. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Right? So since Maharaj Yudhishthira is just not feeling great, you know, Narad Muni is first telling him that, you know, everyone is under the control of the Supreme Lord. So he's trying to console him and Anilji?
यथा गावो नसी प्रोतास्तन्त्याम बद्धाश्च दामभिः वाक्तन्त्याम नाम विवृदा वहन्ति बलमेषुते. As a cow bound through the nose by a long rope is conditioned, so as human beings are bound by different Vedic injunctions and are conditioned to obey the orders of the Supreme. Hare Krishna.
Right. So that's the status of the conditioned souls, like us, right? Like if you see, so in the material world, the living being is still more conditioned until he surrenders unto the Lord by reviving his original state of eternal servitorship. That is the last instruction of the Bhagavad Gita also, and all other recognized scriptures of the world. Right? So ultimately you have to surrender to the Lord Krishna. Mukesh?
यथा क्रीडो पस्करण संयोग विग माविह इच्छया क्रीडितु सयाताम tatheveshchaya nirnam. As a player sets up and disperses his playthings according to his own sweet will, so the supreme will of the Lord brings men together and separates them.
Krishna, right? So Narad Muni is explaining this to Maharaj Yudhishthira. Taking the line here, since we only have 3 more minutes left. So, and we'll continue. I think, so is everyone good for tomorrow? I know it's pre-Thanksgiving week. Is that,
Yes, fine by me.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I'm fine too.
okay, so we'll keep it tomorrow and then maybe we'll take off on Thursday. Thursday is the real Thanksgiving holiday. So maybe we'll do that in that case. Cool. So I think we'll meet tomorrow and then we'll continue like yesterday. We saw a little bit of Go Ask Me prayers. So we'll continue this today for a couple of more minutes and then we'll meet tomorrow. Yeah.
गायन के संग